Just a little bit of dishevelment of the tarps after Hurricane Helene. It's not too bad out here. Nothing major. I mean, the roof line, there's no tree damage up there. Our trees are still standing, even the one that's leaning over here. We have some debris in the yard, but nothing to worry about. We did have a limb drop out of this tree here onto the greenhouse, which we kind of expected was very likely. So I went through the roof and then onto our wash station, and knocked our fan off of the 2x4 up there. So I think that fan's probably dead. But our garden looks fine. We do have some tomatoes that will have to be, the strings will have to be tightened because they kind of laid down, which is fine. I'm glad they had the strings to support them in the wind. But they'll have to be stood back up. We still have baby tomatoes. But no limbs fell on the garden and everything looks good. So thankful for that. I'm gonna go back here and check the avocados and see if any were knocked onto the ground. Probably they were. Get my gloves out of here. Shouldn't have left them out here. Got our leftover cabbages I need to plant. Onions are looking good. I'll probably get those planted. I won't do it today. I'll probably do it next week or Sunday. How our Mighty Day avocado did. I still see fruit up there. Just checking along the ground here to see if anything got knocked off. Oh, there's one. And there's one, and there's one. And there's a little bitty one. I don't know if that's gonna ripen or not. Let's see. They're kind of camouflaged in here, so there's another one. Oh wow, there's a couple more over here. Got a shirt full of grounded avocado. So the guava tree took a hit from the storm. It got split here, and all these guava.
It broke?
Yeah, it broke. But it'll recover. Well, we can trim it up and it'll recover.
Yeah.
But look how many guava are on it.
Yes, it's very good. Oh gosh.
And the jackfruit made it.
This guava is
Mr. Jackfruit made it. So the wind didn't affect that. So that's good.